Hey students, this is extra credit number 1. For completing this extra credit, you'll get 10 points. If you don't complete it, you will not get a penalty. But a great college survival skill to have is doing all of the extra credit possible, because the points really add up. For example, this extra credit here is worth 10 points. I'm going to give you guys an extra credit every week, so that's a total of 40 points. That's a lot of points. That can bump you from a B to an A, or a D to a C, or a C to a B. So even though instructors tell you that extra credit is optional, as a pro tip from me and as a college survival skill, you're going to want to do all the extra credit you can. So in this assignment for the learning objective, if you complete this assignment correctly, you will learn how to properly email your professors, your instructors, your counselors, your deans, whoever you have to email in the future. Now you'll be at Trade Tech for 2 or 2.5 years maybe. And the most effective way to get in contact with your instructor is always through email, especially through online classes. So if you haven't done so already, the first thing I want you to do is link your personal email to your school email. If you want to keep it separate, great, completely up to you. You're going to want to check your email at least once or twice a day. Using the correct format shown in the video and the example below, send me an email at senachgd@laccd.edu. Now that's another pro tip. Make sure you get the email address right. I know sometimes our email addresses can be a little confusing. It doesn't have our whole name. Sometimes they have a number in it. So make sure you get it right. That way the instructor gets it and they can reply back to you. So again, when you're sending out an email in the to section, make sure the email is right. Now for your subject, don't overthink it. Just put Counseling 5 and then the section number. So let's say for instance you were taking Math 137, section number 11111. In the subject, you would just put Math 137 and then the section number. This really helps us as instructors to answer your questions quickly and efficiently. Your instructors may have a few hundred students throughout the semester, and it's very hard, especially for me, to learn everybody's name. And the last thing is probably the second most important, the first most important being getting the email address correct. Always put your first name, last name, and your student ID number. And yes, you can email us through Canvas, but I also want you to link up your emails and practice emailing us through this. Remember, do all your extra credit. See you guys later.